in turmoil when the farmer decided to build a new shelter for the tractors. The previous shelter was already too small, and the coming winter required a solid place where the machines would be safe from rain and snow. The tractor, as the main character of the story, knew that he had an important task ahead of him. To build the shelter, he needed wood, which could be found in the nearby forest. The farmer hooked up a large trailer to the tractor and sent it on its way. When everything was ready, the construction of the shelter began. Tractor watched with satisfaction as the new place of shelter grew before his eyes. Every beam and plank was carefully fastened, and the shelter took shape. After some time, the construction was completed. The new shelter was solid and spacious, ready to accommodate not only the tractor, but other machinery as well. The farmer smiled with satisfaction at his work, and the tractor proudly drove inside, knowing that thanks to his work, the farm now had a safe place for its vehicles.
One day, a sudden fire broke out in the field where a large straw baler was standing on the farm. All the people on the farm were alarmed, and the fire spread quickly, threatening the entire crop. Then a fire truck pulled onto the scene. Its red bodywork gleamed, and blue lights flashed on the roof. Without a moment's hesitation, it headed toward the burning press. But first it had to connect a large water tank.
propose a guessing game. The rules are simple. We provide the manufacturer's logo, and you have to guess the company name. Only a true automotive expert has a chance to get 11 correct answers. Volkswagen. Honda. Audi. Chevrolet. BMW. Toyota. Porsche. Mercedes-Benz. Maserati. Ferrari. Lamborghini. How many did you guess?
What kind of machine is this? Probably a tractor, but it has no cabin and has strange little wheels. Match the appropriate cabs and new wheels for the tractor. The first JCB cab doesn't seem to fit. Fit a new one. The second cabin doesn't fit either. I think these are truck parts. The third cabin probably does not come from this tractor model. It looks like the last cabin fits our tractor perfectly. Yes, this is the right cabin. Now it's time to fit the appropriate wheels. Will these wheels fit our tractor? The first wheels don't fit. These are sports car wheels. The second wheels don't fit either. These are basketballs. Third wheels are completely abstract. These are pizza slices to eat. Excellent. The last wheels are perfect for our green tractor.